Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2018 on a 68 registration Mercedes GLC 250 4MATIC. So the 4MATIC is four-wheel drive, 250 is the 2.1 210 brake horsepower engine, and that's married to the superb, and I'd arguably say one of the best gearboxes in the cars at the moment. That's a 9-speed G-tronic automatic transmission. Absolutely wonderful. Now this car is finished in the jet black paint, and I must admit that is in fantastic condition. And this car benefits from the factory option of the night package. Now the night package gives you all the external detailing in the gloss black. So the spoiler down at the bottom of the front bumper, which is normally chrome, is finished in gloss black. We then get the privacy glass and the window trims in gloss black, and then with the night package you get the upgraded alloy wheels, so the multi-spoke black and chrome finish, and they're in 20-inch. So 20-inch bicolour alloys just set this particular model off. We've been selling these cars now for some time, and I must admit they are probably one of the best SUVs as coupes go. There's a cross between a really smart looking sports car and a multifunctional SUV. The sides of the vehicle are in fantastic order. Whoever's owned it has looked after it. The wheels are all in superb condition. When it goes through to pre-delivery inspection, our technicians will remove each wheel. They'll wash them inside out. We have a machine polisher. They'll bring those blades up to perfect shiny finish. We improve them as best we possibly can. But just look at the vehicle, it's lovely. I love the rear end of those. Very, very nicely finished with that sloping back. And then coming down we get the twin tailpipes that finish this off. We've then got GLC250 in this sunshine today. This particular one's got the sunroof as well. So as you can see, the black detailing, and then a glass electric sunroof. Nice that, isn't it? But all the wheels, as I say, are in fantastic order. It's running on fantastic, really good tyres as well. These cars have parking sensors front and rear and a reversing camera, so you get a really good appreciation of parking. Very simple. They're not a huge car either, these. Very, very misgiving. There we go, we'll open that. And then you get a fantastically spaced boot. Loads of luggage, loads of ample storage facility. The boot floor is lockable, so if you have got valuables you can lock them underneath in the boot space underneath there. Electric tailgate, press the button and down it comes. The reversing camera's behind the Mercedes badge there, and that's where that is, but the privacy glass suits the car well, and then the black detailing. But looking down that driver's side again, I do this on black cars because they do show everything, but this one is in very, very good condition. Now this is, as I say, a 68 plated vehicle, so just over 3 years old. We've got 2 keys with it. Looking inside then, they come very, very well specified. I do like Mercedes inside. We have the aluminium detail, so this one's got the electric memory heated seats for the driver and the passenger, power folding mirrors, 4 electric windows. We've got the aluminium detail on the kick plates, and then the driver's seat is the black sports style seats with semi-aniline little holes in the centre. And then the dashboard, if you're looking most, I suppose, Mercedes now, the dashboard's pretty universal throughout. AMG tailored mat set, not really any major wear, nothing that would detract from anything or anybody purchasing. Now these have got the keyless start, so there's a little button there. You'll see that both keys are in the centre console there, and I just press the button and obviously it jumps into life. No warning lights or anything illuminated on the dashboard, which is always good to see. And there we can see everything on there. So closing the door, and we'll go around the vehicle inside. Centre console, we got the DAB, we've got the satellite navigation. We view the map. The SD card's present and correct. We've got media player, so Bluetooth, music streaming, USB, Bluetooth on your phone, and then obviously the vehicle itself, you can have your own settings, so if you want dynamic, comfort, you name it, you've got it. Very, very nice settings on these to drive. All the screen and all the controls are very, very easy. Again, loads of storage space in here. You've got another USB and auxiliary down there. Excuse the wire. Full Bookpack set. As I say, the tilt and slide electric sunroof is very, very nice. Gives that open feel. Leather trim multifunction steering wheel is paddled as well, so you've got a paddle there. $36,114 miles as I do this video. That might go up slightly as we move it around, and you get the old-fashioned CD player as well. How about that? But very, very nice condition inside. Lovely to touch, lovely soft furnishings. Looking in the rear of the car as well, we always like to do that. The black ash wood follows through. And then inside here you get this lovely, well-maintained rear compartment. The AMG mat set is there as well. And then we've got the air vents. Isofix, as well as a USB. Parktronic, but what a lovely car. Now if this ticks the boxes, we can have this ready, so you only have to come to our showroom in Wigan once. You put a £250 deposit on it, that reserves it and puts it through our pre-delivery inspection process. That's all the wheels removed, polished inside and out, detailing on the discs and calipers, etc. And then when you arrive in Wigan, you can test drive the car. Once you're happy with it, the reservation then becomes a part funding of the vehicle. If you've got your money in your bank, you can do a banking transfer. If you need finance, we can do all of that prior to you arriving in Wigan. Get it all accepted so that once you're happy with it, we just press the button and the finance is funded. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you a price over the phone. If we need any more details, we'll just ask you to send us some images, a video maybe like we've sent to you. And at which point then we can give you a price and you know what the cost of change is. But thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.